Hello and welcome to the post-completion OPT video series. In this video, we are going to talk about the overview and eligibility for post-completion OPT. OPT stands for Optional Practical Training. It is a temporary employment that is directly related to your field of study. Please keep in mind that when you transition to your OPT period, you are still considered in F1 status. Your immigration status and your visa type do not change, and you will be in F1 status for the entire OPT period. So to be eligible for optional practical training, you must be in legal F1 status. What is OPT? OPT is a benefit to your F1 status, so you do need to be in F1 status to be eligible to apply. It is an off-campus work authorization in your field of study, and it is related to the degree that you receive at UHCL. You do not need to have a job offer to apply, and you do have some time after submitting your OPT application to USCIS to keep looking for a job while you are on your OPT period. You are eligible to apply for OPT after you have been in F1 status for one full academic year, meaning both a spring and fall semester, or be within 90 days of doing so. Most of you, if you are graduating this semester, you have already met this requirement. There are three types of optional practical training. There's pre-completion, post-completion, and the STEM extension. Pre-completion OPT can be done before you graduate, but that is typically not used by UHCL students. UHCL students will often use CPT during their last semester, so they are not using up their OPT time after graduation. Post-completion OPT is after you graduate, and that is when you get 12 months of post-completion work authorized through your OPT after you graduate. Then there is the STEM extension available for anyone who has a science, technology, engineering, and math major for an additional 24-month extension. To sum up the overview and eligibility of applying for post-completion OPT, you will need to maintain your F1 status and qualify and apply for graduation. Keep in mind that your I-20 end date will be shortened to the official closing of the semester in which you completed your program. Your OPT can begin within 60 days of your program end date and will end 1 year minus a day from the day you choose your start date for the majority of students. For example, if you graduate on May 15th and begin your OPT on June 1st, you will be able to stay on your F1 status and work up until May 31st of the following year. You can apply starting 90 days before your graduation date and up to 60 days after. Some important notes. Please keep in mind you must stop working on campus in a student position on the official closing of the semester date. You can do OPT on campus, but it will have to be a new position that is not for students. Thank you for watching the video. We do have other videos in our post-completion series. Please check them out before contacting our office with further questions, as many of the questions will be answered.